What up, YouTube? Welcome to Dips World, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, so check this out. I think what we're gonna get done today is we're gonna get these bushings done. We're gonna get these fork cans on, and we're gonna get these fork tubes in. And then we're gonna call it a day because that's pretty much all I can do until I get everything else. So appreciate y'all watching. Check it out. So I got the new bushings in, the fork tubes and cans in. I think I'm about to put this this interfering on in this bracket right here. And then I'll probably be just about all I can do until everything else get in. Stay tuned. Check this out. This is what we got. We got the inner back on. I gotta go find a bolt to go in here because that one was completely ripped out. So got the two bottom ones in, got the wires pulled through. I may end up taking this back off just to get cause we got this painted. The thing to hold the gauges and stuff, the speedometer and stuff. So we got that painted, so I may end up taking this back off just so I know I won't scratch nothing, but I think I can get it back on without scratching anything. I just have to be super careful. But yeah, so that's what we got going on. Stay tuned. I may come back tomorrow and do some more stuff depending on if anything come back from paint. Or I may just end this video and y'all check it out. But anyway, stay tuned to the build. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.